it's Yesenia. Today we are showcasing one of Ford's underappreciated feature, the Parallel Park Assist. When visiting our website, check under Vehicle Highlights to see what vehicle offers that feature. I'm going to show everyone how to use this function, and if you want to tag someone who might benefit from this, leave it in the comments below. Step 1. Press Active Park Assist button. Most models will have it somewhere near the shifter. Step 2. Activate turn signal. Use your turn signal to indicate which side you would like the vehicle to search. The system will then start scanning for available parking spots. When an appropriate space is found, the system will chime a spot found message on the display. Step 3. Follow screen prompts. Once a spot is found, the system will then provide clear on-screen instructions on when to accelerate, shift, and brake as it automatically steers the vehicle into place. Ford offers two parking assist systems, the Enhanced Active Park Assist and Active Park Assist. These are available in 2020 Ford Expedition, 2020 Ford Edge, Escape, Transit, Transit Connect, and Explorer. Okay, I've shown you how to parallel park with Ford Park Assist. I want to know if you've tried it by leaving a comment in the section below. Share with someone who isn't the greatest at parallel parking. Visit our website and give us a call today for more information on these vehicles.